Japan.
Wind.
Breathing.
Yeah. Is everybody breathing?
Chicago.
What's up, buddy? You want some? Yeah.
You can't do buddy like that.
I know. Hold on. Yeah. Where the hell are you going? What's up, buddy? I was just eating. It was very poopy today.
Oh, mine.
Look at this bracelet.
Look at this bracelet.
Alex made this for me and mailed it to me all the way from New Jersey. This is in New Jersey. It's from the Jersey Shore. Snooki signed it. Oh dang.
Happy birthday.
Big city life. We tried to get by.
What the fuck is this?
I think it's a factory, and that's a prison. Can't even see it. It's barely dark out.
Oh man, it's got, oh.
That's why your hair's all goofy.
I thought, see, I think it's like from like whenever you like try to move your head.
I think it's if I move it, dropped over there.
Probably. See, look. That's just. Oh, that's just.
Hold still, I can believe it. The other one did lightning. Did you see it? Spaceship below my garage is NASA. Oh, dude, you gotta.
I'm hiding behind the building. Wait, looks like a dick. No, show you a dick.
Ah, at the Leaning Tower.
Oh, there's something.
Hello.
Stage. Can I open up the curtains and close them?
No, maybe they'll close on us if we talk. Don't do that. Here, look. This is what you do.
Weren't we doing the newspaper one? Or yeah, we were doing this one yesterday.
Oh, I just did that one. Darn it. Who's talking to me on Skype? Jamie Luke. Big city life. Yeah. Maybe my dad will come put us out.
Mommy and I are going to go shopping. You want to stay here? Alright. Well, you need to watch Maria.
Okay.
See that?
We're making a video. You want to be in it? You want to say hello? It's all
That
it
don't
means.
mean anything. I mean like come kill my children or anything like
Yeah,
that.
that's what it means.
Was it? Yeah.
Wait, why aren't we black and white? Scene.
Dude, you gonna eat?
I just ate. We finished off the chili, and then I made some Chef Boyardee.
Don't put the food away. Clean up.
Look at that, I got a 12-pack. Wait, is that? How come my hands are in the background and in front?
These are my hands in front.
Because my mind's in front.
Oh, okay, okay. I thought that was like two sets of hands, and that was two sets of hands.
Oh, that's what it is.
We got an apple scooper.
Because
Here.
so I can pretend it's a map.
I hate Max.
I'll get you a Gibson sticker for your guitar.
Not a Gibson.
What? Nah.